In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Google reviews to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to display your Google reviews. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to your Elf site account. Click Add New App, search for Google reviews and choose a template that matches your website's design. Click Continue with this template, enter your business name and address, then click Publish. Go back to the My Apps page in Elf site. Find your Google Reviews widget. Click the three-dot menu and select Embed Code. Copy the embed code that is generated. Return to the Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. Find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements. Drag the embed code element onto your page where you want the reviews to appear. Click the embed code element, select Edit Custom HTML and paste the embed code you copied from Elf site into the text box. Preview your website to make sure the Google reviews display correctly. If everything looks good, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add Google reviews to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.